I'm making freezer salsa because I don't feel like canning and I have a lot of tomatoes to use up. So it's headed to the freezer. The beauty of freezer salsa, you can add whatever you want. So more seasoning, more salt, more sugar, tomato paste, more tomatoes if you want, more peppers if you want, hot spice, chipotle, whatever you want. If you like corn in your salsa, if you like beans in your salsa, put them in. We're putting it in the freezer. It doesn't matter what you add, make it yours. Flavor it the way you love it. So when making freezer salsa, you do want to cook the salsa down before you freeze it. That will help give it a better texture when you bring it out of the freezer. Start by prepping your tomatoes. Because I had slicing tomatoes, I removed some of the jelly to reduce the liquid. I chopped them and added it to the pot along with all the other ingredients. Let that simmer for about 45 minutes and then do a taste test to see, does it need any adjusting? I wanted a little bit more heat, so I added serrano pepper, some salt, and a little bit of tomato paste to bring everything together because it was a little liquidy. And beautiful. Final taste test, and yes, thumbs up. Oh, look who else decided to sneak a taste. It was so good. Try it.